Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? This is a session of grade 2 science. Today we are going to start the new topic that is called food. Open page number 37. In this chapter we study about why we need food. All of us need food. Food gives us energy and it helps us to grow. Why it is nutritious. Why it is important for us to eat nutritious food. And in this lesson we identify the different type of foods and state some important and healthy eating habits. Okay, so move on to page number 38. Why do we need food and water? As you know that we all are living things, and living things need food, water, air and sunlight. So here we have a topic about food and water. All living things need food and water to stay alive. We need food and water to stay alive. Food give us energy to work and play. What food give us? Food give us energy to work and play. It help us to grow and become strong. Through food, we grow. Through food and water, we grow and become strong because it give us energy, and it is very important for us. Why? Because through food and water we stay alive. We should always eat clean, fresh and nutritious food to stay healthy and keep disease away. Which type of food we have to eat? We have to eat clean, fresh and nutritious. There are different types of food. We have a junk food and healthy food as well, but we have to eat healthy food instead of junk food. Okay, junk food is very nutritious food, and it helps us to keep us healthy and keep away from disease. Almost 70% of our body is made up of water. Our human body is made up of water, and at least 70% of humans body is made up of water. Drinking water help us to replace the water we have lost. Sometimes we after playing we get thirsty, so through that we drink water. We replace the water we have lost. By sweating we lost a lot of water, so we have to drink water to replace that we have lost. A large part of our body is made up of water. As I told you before that 70% of our body is made up of water. So a large part of our body is made up of water. Water is needed for our body parts to work properly. Why we need water? We need water for our body to work, body parts to work properly. For example, a car need oil, fuel to work properly. Na? Same as it is, human's body need water to work properly. When we perspire or pass urine, we lost water. When we drain a lot of water, what we need? We need to refill it. How we refill it? We drink plenty of water. Therefore, we need to replace the water that we have lost. When we lost a lot of water when we drain out, so we have to complete replace the water that we have lost it, or the water we have drained it out. What are the different types of food? We can group the food we eat in few types. As I told you before that we have a categorized food in two ways, that healthy food and junk food. So here we have a different type of food. Bread, rice, potatoes and pasta, they give us energy to keep us going all the day. What they give us? They give us energy in going all the day. They help us to work, they help us a lot of things. Okay, fruits and vegetables, they help to prevent us from falling sick easily. Why we need fruit and vegetables? We need food and vegetables to not fall sick easily, यानी कि हम बहुत जल्दी we are not going to get ill easily. Okay, and keep away, it helps us to keep away from disease. Healthy food keep us away from disease. Meat, beans and eggs, what they do? They help us to grow and repair our body part. Okay, how they repair our body parts? When we hurt, when we fell down and we get hurt, so these type of food cure us. Okay. Milk, cheese and yogurt, they keep our teeth and bones strong. When we have a 2 glass of milk daily, it keep our body, it keep our bones and teeth strong. How do we eat healthy food? The food that we make up our diet. The food we are going to eat, it's our diet. To stay healthy, we need to eat different types of food in the right amount. If we want to keep ourselves healthy, what we have to do, we have to eat good food, healthy food in a right amount, in a specific amount. Not that we are going to eat it a lot. For example, if I like vegetables, I only eat vegetables a lot. No, we have to uh, eat food in a right amount. This is called a balanced diet. When we eat food in a right amount, so it's called balanced diet. This the diagram below shows the different food group that we need to eat from in order for us diet to be balanced. These are the different food groups as we study here, and we have to eat balancedly. Okay. Fruits, vegetable, bread, rice, potatoes and pastas, meat, beans and eggs and milk, cheese and yogurt. So it make us balanced diet. If we want to eat fruit, not all these fruit, only one fruit or two fruits. Okay. Same as it is in vegetables as well, in bread, rice, potatoes and pastas as well, in meat and beans, eggs as well, and here as well. We have to make a chart of our balanced diet. Okay. We have to take balanced diet. Discover more. Plan a balanced diet for a day. Share your plan with a friend. So what you are going to do, make one day plan. Make one day plan that what you have in the morning breakfast, what you have in the what you call snack at 11 o'clock, what you have in lunch, what you have snack in the evening, and what you have at night for dinner. Okay. So this is your balanced diet plan. Okay. Just make it. For today till here, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. We continue this chapter in the next class and see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.